Found a TVW file from a Tivion DVR or video surveillance system? This proprietary format captures video recordings with timestamp and camera metadata. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play and convert these Tivion video recording files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a TVW file, even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A TVW file is a video recording created by Tivion, a PVR, personal video recorder software. Users encounter this file when they have recorded television shows or other video content using the Tivion application. The primary user intent is to play back these recordings or convert them to a more standard format like MP4. The TVW format is a proprietary container, likely wrapping a standard video codec like MPEG-2 or H.264 with custom metadata for scheduling, program information, and potential DRM. This design locks content to the Tivion ecosystem, ensuring playback control and managing recording data efficiently within the application's framework. For comprehensive file management, TVW relies on Tivion developed by Tivion Technologies. To access all data streams, audio-video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows can preview most video files, but editing them requires dedicated video software. Open the menu by right-clicking your TVW file and choosing Open With. Try Tivion first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If your TVW file is not opening yet, that is normal. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, using Tivion Player. Install the Tivion Player application provided by your DVR manufacturer or available from the Tivion support website. Open the TVW file directly in the player to view footage with original timestamps, camera labels, and event markers preserved from the original recording session. Next, trying VLC Media Player. Attempt to open the TVW file in VLC Media Player, which handles many surveillance video formats. Drag the file into VLC or use Media Open File. VLC may successfully decode the underlying H.264 stream even when the proprietary container is not formally supported. Finally, converting with FFmpeg. Use FFmpeg to convert TVW files to MP4 or AVI format with the command FFmpeg and I input TVW, C copy output to MP4. The copy parameter preserves quality without re-encoding. If that fails, omit C copy to force re-encoding for maximum compatibility with standard players. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.